the winner of this match as the result of a pinfall, the Spartan Warrior, Nikita Knight!
Lyn got overconfident, she got frustrated, and Nikita Knight found a way to get the victory. Joey, I am shocked, but I'm not surprised. Nikita Knight is one to watch in this company, I gotta say, and Lyn is now taking it out on a fan, and we gotta get some security.
Kick him out! Kick him out!
He has a point.
Bradley, get out of here!
How dare you, Bradley?
I'm sick and tired of seeing this, man. Raise your hand if you'd like to see Bradley get kicked out. Majority rules, buddy.
It is now time.